Hello everyone, my name is Saf. You are watching Grey on Tech TV, and in this video we'll be discussing on what are the scams going on in the Appian training industry. So without wasting the time, let's start. One more thing, if you have not done yet so please do hit that subscribe button and like the video if you liked it, and please watch till the end. I just want to share about the incidents happening with my fellow mentees down there in APN training industry. So basically, the locations like Hyderabad, Mumbai, and Bangalore are the hub spots for training scammers. Not only for APN, there are other technologies also they are offering, but the output is a complete scam and money fraud. So if you want to save yourself from scams, so I would like to share some incidents that you can take it as a alert or warning. So basically, there are three types of training offerings from the companies like them. First one is like recorded lectures and the recorded lectures and the documents of the training, relevant training that you will be getting. So you'll be paying 10 to 15,000 rupees for the recorded lectures and training. They are not of quality basically, because that is something which we categorize as passive learning. So it is not of that quality that we expect, and you would not be able to understand that, because whenever you will be getting any doubt at runtime, so there will be no one to help you out at that point of time specific to that situation or problem. So putting your money in recorded lectures or documents or relevant PPTs for APN is not a really great idea, and the output will be that you will lack knowledge in APN. The second training the second thing that the training companies offer you is like they will be providing you a classroom based live learning. It will be basically a virtual classroom, and in that the training courses are in a duration of 30 to 60 days. In that, the entire APN course is promised, like you will be able to understand APN once you enroll in the course, and you will be a regular attendant of that course. So in the initial days it will be a very good very good course of action. You feel that yes, you are able to understand the APN, but slowly once you pay the fee, and they will start reducing the quality, and they will they will be start focusing more on other batches, like they have to create another batch. So these type of trainers focus, or these type of train companies focus more on the number of attendance, because the number of attendance into per person fees is their only revenue. So they do not focus on quality basically, and they do not care after whether you get the real knowledge to work in APN, or whether you get the practical knowledge or exposure in APN so that you are able to crack the interview or not. So they will not provide you the interview basically placement assistance, that what I can say. And beyond this, there is the third and the most vulnerable category of the training offerings. Like this is the most vulnerable plan that anybody can fall into the trap, and it can create big huge impact in your pocket, because in this the company promises you the training in APN as well as the placement assistance. Now what happens is the placement assistance, the company will promise you the training for 30 to 60 days in APN, depending upon your experience and the previous educational background. And after that, the company will promise you that they will place in any of the service-based firms like Infosys, Capgemini. I'm just giving you an example of the name. I'm just not pointing to any company. They have their internal tie-ups. The training companies have the internal tie-ups with the software companies, and they have memorandum of understanding in such a way that they will pay some small amount of money for every candidate that they employ from their training company. So as a candidate who is getting trained in APN, they will think that yes, they got the job in APN after getting trained, but this is not the truth. Actually, the job is a contractual job internally with both the parties know, but as a candidate you do not know. And soon after 3 or 4 or 6 months you will start facing issues, and within any small mistake you made in APN, that will be a point of parameter that the company will expect you to resign, or you will be in such a situation that you will get difficult task and you do not hold the enough knowledge to work in APN. So out of all these categories, I recommend you to please analyze yourself and please analyze your knowledge. Consult your senior mentors in the software industry before proceeding. Please check with the person that who will be training you, what is his technology background, how long the company has been operating, and what are the success ratio after the training. So I feel shocked to, I still I am not able to state the situation in front of you guys that one of my mentees, whom I'm mentoring for Appian, has paid 2.5 lakh rupees just to get training in Appian and get placement in Appian. So the person got placed in Appian, but still, like the situation was in such a manner that the company is providing the difficult task to her, and she is not knowledgeable or capable enough to work on it. So I recommend that avoid such kind of traps where company will just place you in a situation. Getting trained in APN is important. Getting placed in APN is not important, because even after placements, nobody will be there to help you out. The company will not support you every time, because you might be an experienced resource or you might be like junior resource. The company will support you only to an extent that you can get little bit time to get your hands on and get comfortable in the company. But later on, once you join the firm, things things get more difficult day by day, because you will get more number of challenges, and not everybody can do that dynamically. That's what I'm able to understand. So this is a small piece of advice from my end, that before proceeding in any of the company or any of the training, do your research wisely. And let me tell you about myself, that how do we work. It's like we are providing free of cost mentorship, free of cost guidance, and this will be for lifetime. There is no single rupee charge for any guidance regarding APN. If you want to change any firm from one organization to another organization, and you are into APN technology, you are confused that which company is best for you and what CTC should you demand, how do you have to deal with counter offers of APN, and how to move from one company to another company and increase your CTC. If you are facing any difficulties in your daily task, that you can the daily technical scenarios, then you can put your high level doubt on our Telegram group. We have a community of around 90 members right now, where we frequently discuss each and everything related to APN. What are the best practices in APN? What are the frequently asked interview questions in APN? And as a trainer, I am the one who is just getting I am the one who just take payment in terms of the training that I provide. That is for APN, the actual training that I provide. The mentorship, which is a part of our Telegram community, which is a part of YouTube community, it is completely free of cost. So you can ask me anything about the company details. You can ask me anything about how to increase your CTC. You can ask me anything about related to practical implementation in APN, any topic, any technical glitch that you are facing in, any issue that you're facing while working in APN, what are the future plans of APN, what should be your next step in your career transition, how to get started with APN, how to plan your journey into APN if you're a fresher that you have joined in APN. Also, if you are a non-technical person and you are planning to join APN, and you are planning to learn and step into the IT industry into APN, so you are most welcome in our Telegram community. You are most welcome to our YouTube channel, and you can connect with me for any purpose that you feel like. The only thing is, like, the training is paid, that I take paid training. The rest of the things are free, and I recommend you to at least. Also, I have 100% refund policy, so I can refund you 100% of your amount if you feel that I'm not capable enough to train you. Beyond this, I expect you to just be a part of the process and just avoid getting any scams from the company location. I'm not putting any names of the company, but avoid any scams. Be smart enough to analyze and research, right? Avoid any scams where they are pushing you towards training. They are just messaging you individually from the groups of different areas like LinkedIn or WhatsApp or Telegram. They're just trying to investigate that how do you are learning APN, what are your learning plans, are you looking for training. Avoid such kind of pushy messages, replying to such kind of pushy messages, because there is the point where people get trapped. And you should avoid making payments before making proper research. So you can talk to other people, and I have a community on Telegram, where we discuss the doubts and each and everything. And nearly each member has connected with me. So I try to connect. I daily spend 2 hours per day on mentoring. Basically, I help out other people. That some people are changing their jobs, some people are learning their APN, they are just freshers, and some people are non-technical people and they are struggling with their APN job. They initially started with APN. So it is just a give and take in this world. I am here to help you out with Appian. You can put your doubt on our Telegram channel. On You can put your questions and doubts on comment section in this video. So I'll be happy to help. Beyond this, please spread more knowledge, help each others in the industry, in the software industry. There are people who are really looking for help in this COVID scenario. This has been a tough time. After that, I feel like we should help each other, and that's it from my end. If you really like this video, feel free to put down your feedback on the comment sections, and before leaving, please do hit that subscribe button. I really like that my community is growing and I have a lot to discuss regarding Appian and also other technologies. If you are already an Appian developer, what are other technologies that you can explore to enhance your portfolio and increase your CTC? So there are many things that I would like to talk to you with this medium, but I want a little bit more motivation so that I can give you more of my knowledge for free. So thanks for watching till the end. Take care. Bye.